Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the wild world of birds, but not the cute and cuddly ones. Nope, we are talking about the 5 most dangerous birds that you definitely would not want to cross paths with. So buckle up because things are about to get feathery and fierce. Let's get started. Number 1, ostrich, the giant runner. Kicking off our list is the world's largest and heaviest bird, the ostrich. Now you might be thinking, how can a bird that can't fly be dangerous? Well, the ostrich may not have the gift of flight, but it more than makes up for it with its powerful leg. These guys are incredible runners, reaching speed up to 45 miles per hour. And there the scary part, if provoked, an ostrich is not afraid to use those powerful legs for defense. Their kicks are forceful enough to seriously injure or even kill predator, including humans. So if you ever find yourself in the company of an ostrich, best to keep a safe distance. Number 2, great horned owl, silent and deadly. Next up, we have a bird that's often associated with wisdom, but don't let that fool you. The great horned owl. These nocturnal predators are not only known for their impressive hooting, but are also for their exceptional hunting skills. Great horned owls are silent hunters thanks to their specialized feathers that muffle the sound of their flight. They are capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves, including other birds and even small mammals. So, if you are a critter in the night, beware of the silent wing of the great horned owl. Number 3, Australian magpie, the territorial avian enforcer. Now let's shift our focus down under to Australia, where we find the Australian magpie. Don't be deceived by its melodious song. These birds are notorious for their territorial behavior, especially during breeding season. During nesting season, Australian magpies can become highly aggressive and protective of their territory. They are known for swooping down on unsuspecting passerby, including cyclists and pedestrians, delivering sharp beak jabs. So, if you are a magpie territory, considering wearing a helmet of more than just cycling safety. Number 4, crowned eagle, the apex avian predator. Moving to Africa, we encounter the crowned eagle, often referred as the leopard of the sky. This impressive raptor is known for its strength and agility, making it one of the top predators in the avian world. Crowned eagles are powerful enough to take down monkeys and even small antelope. With their strong talon and keen eyesight, they are apex predator. If you are a small mammal in the forest of Africa, the crowned eagle is a force to be reckoned. Number 5, peregrine falcon, the speed demon of the sky. Last but certainly not least, we have the peregrine falcon, the fastest bird in the world. These birds are built for speed, reaching and astonishing dive speed for over 240 miles per hour. Peregrine falcon are formidable hunters, preying on other birds in mid-air. Their incredible speed and precision make them a force to be reckoned with in the skies. If you are a bird in flight, the peregrine falcon is the last thing you want to see on your tail. You have it, the 5 most dangerous birds in the world. From the powerful kicks of the ostrich to the silent hunting skill of the great horned owl, nature has truly equipped these birds with some extraordinary abilities. Which one surprised you the most? Let us in the comment below. If you found these videos helpful, please subscribe, like, comment these videos. Allah Hafiz.